In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Google interface to effortlessly create stunning designs on Canva. Grab your device and let's dive right in. To begin, I need you to open your Canva document. If you haven't yet set up your document, simply navigate to Canva and you'll find an inviting array of choices to start designing. Choose a blank canvas, or if you have a specific project in mind, pick a template that aligns with your goal. This starting point is like your digital sketchpad, a place where creativity flows freely. Once you've got your canvas ready, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll find a menu brimming with tools and options. Click on Elements. This section offers a treasure trove of features that will enrich your design with engaging components. Now let's get specific. In the search bar at the top, enter the word Mockups. This is where the magic truly begins. Mockups are a designer's dream, providing a ready-made framework to present your ideas in a realistic, professional format. As you type Mockups into the search bar, notice how the texts below the bar offer you a categorized view of your options. All, graphics, photos, and more. By scrolling through these categories, particularly focusing on the mockups, you'll uncover a rich variety to choose from. Maybe you're planning to showcase a design on a t-shirt, or perhaps you're looking to put together an elegant album cover? Whatever your project, the mockups range from shirts to photos, laptops, and even more eclectic choices. They serve as an excellent enhancement to your creative projects, helping you visualize your design in a finished and polished state. Explore these options and play around with them, dragging and dropping them onto your canvas to see how they fit with the rest of your design. This hands-on approach not only makes the process fun, but also lets you experiment effortlessly, ensuring that your end result is exactly how you envisioned it. Don't be afraid to mix and match. These elements are meant to be versatile. And there you go. In just a few clicks, you've managed to incorporate stunning mockups into your design process, taking your Canva document from basic to brilliant. Remember, the key here is exploration and experimentation. The more you play around with these elements, the more intuitive and natural the design process will feel. Thank you for watching today's tutorial on using Google to navigate Canva design elements. I hope you found this guide helpful and inspiring. Let your creativity run wild and happy designing.